This example reviews formulae of the form v equals a number times by some ratio to the power of t. In this case, the value of an investment is given by 1,250 times by 1.03 to the power of t. And there are three quite quick questions to answer in relation to this. Now, when we've got a formula of this type, the number or the coefficient, in this case 1,250, is always the initial value. So in this case, the initial amount of money invested is given by £1,250. So that's how much the person put in the investment in the first place. Now, the next number links to the rate of change of the investment. Now, 1.03 is the same as 103%. And what this denotes is that every year, the amount of the investments going up from 100 to 103%. So this represents a 3% increase per year. In other words, the compound interest rate is given by 3%. So the first value is how much was invested, or the initial amount. 1.03, which is 103%, denotes a 3% increase year on year. So if we're asked to sketch a graph to show the growth in the account, then time on the x-axis and the value of the investment on the y. Now, initially, we know that £1,250 was invested. And every year, the amount goes up by 3%. However, it's not a straight line going up, because every year, the amount in the investment increases, so therefore the 3% is of a higher amount, and therefore the interest is also increasing. So what happens is that year on year, the amount of the investment goes up by a larger and larger amount, and so you get an upward curve. And this sketch just shows how it starts at 1,250, and the amount it goes up by year on year gets bigger and bigger and bigger.